Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the presser foot on a EuroPro 464 XC sewing machine. First thing you want to do is lift up on the presser foot, and it's real simple. There's this trigger at the back here, push on it and it releases your presser foot. When you have your new one, just look at it. You'll have this little bar that goes across and it's going to go inside the groove here. When you have your new one, just lower it into place. Push down and it clicks. Lift up to make sure that it's on there good. Once you've confirmed that, you're good to go. If you do need to replace the whole assembly, you can also take out the screw, just loosen it, and the trigger and everything all comes down as one unit. So if it's broken and needs replacing, you can just get a new one. And then when you get your new one, slide it into place and tighten your screw. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.